My name is Courtney, and I'm going to show you how to apply a adhesive vinyl to a chalkboard. What you're going to need for this project: a chalkboard. You can buy your chalkboard at a store, or you can make your own using chalk paint. You will also need adhesive vinyl. Adhesive vinyl has the paper backing that usually has a grid pattern on it. You will need transfer tape. You will need your cutting machine and your weeding tools. Let's get started. Now we're going to weed out the pieces for our Grinch with our Tweety light, which is really great. I love my Tweety light because of this light that shines right on the vinyl, so I can see exactly where I need to be. Now we're going to put all of our Grinch pieces together. Using transfer tape.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.